Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Personal Capital for retirement planning notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Personal Capital website. Once there, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically found on the homepage. Click on this button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After completing this step, click on Continue. Next, fill out the required personal information, such as your name and phone number. Once you've entered all the necessary details, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. After that, submit the form to create your account. You may receive a verification email from Personal Capital. Open this email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Now return to the Personal Capital website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Notifications section of your account. Look for the option related to retirement planning notifications. You should see various settings regarding how you wish to receive updates. Select your preferred methods, such as email or app notifications. Make sure to check any boxes next to the types of notifications you want to receive. Take a moment to review your selections. After confirming your preferences, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Stay logged in to monitor your account and receive valuable updates as they come. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.